If you believe in Darwinian evolution, you are wrong. Tonight, I want to take a critical look at the theory of evolution, specifically focusing on the Cambrian explosion. This is a dramatic event occurring over a period of about 70 million years. Saw life go from a minimal diversity to a literal explosion of complex organisms. In the 19th century, Darwin envisioned cells to be like this blank slate, with changes over time leading to new creations and new species. As I delve into this intricacy of the modern scientific knowledge that we have today, it's becoming more evident that the reality is far more complex. Darwin had hoped that the future fossil finds would actually bridge the gaps between his evolutionary record. However, recent discoveries like the ones they just did in China, where 13 to 16 new animal forms appeared in a mere 5 to 6 million year window, suggesting a quicker pace of evolution than a slow, steady process as Darwin once proposed. So the mathematical component found in Darwinian evolution suggests that the world and its species took millions, if not billions of years for a species to evolve. Yet the Cambrian explosion challenges this theory at every scale. The creation of new life forms implies the creation of new genes and proteins. Such events are considered incredibly rare, and the chances of successful mutations are astronomically low. Further confounding the mystery is the understanding that an organism turning into an organism without some sort of mutation. It must be acquired early in its development, but there's never been any example of any of this in literature, and where a mutation doesn't lead to some sort of fatal outcome. For example, a sheep, for instance, they might display maybe a variation in fur or eye color, but a mutation significant enough to transform it into an entirely different species, its result is death every single time. If you guys are going to deep dive into anything today, check out the Cambrian explosion. It will totally blow your mind.